Damn it! Guess I'm gonna have to get a new microwave then. I don't get this explained. I bought a new working microwave. Steve, how much did this cost? A price. Couldn't you have just repaired the old one? Yeah, or you could have resold it. Yeah, and this one looks like ass. Okay, look, this microwave is so much better than the last one. It could do so many things more than it. Like, it can open and close and go on.
It speaks.
Yeah, see, and it can also talk.
Oh, what the fuck?
No.
It appears you humans cannot accept the lifestyle of food reheating that I provide for you. It is for that reason that I shall make you all perish.
No, I'm not gonna do this today. I'm just gonna go, man. Bye.
You dare question my authority?
Oh my god! Please don't hurt me, please! No, please,
Recognize my authority.
I recognize your authority! I recognize! No!
Bruh, really? What the hell?
What? That wasn't me, that was him. Motherfucker.
Preparing. Preparation for a meal.
Creeper, you okay? I can't feel my legs. Steve, I need medical attention right now. No, it's okay. Walk it off. Come on, man, please.
Hey, how's your day going?
Pretty good. Had a wonderful day.
That's nice, yeah.
How about you?
Oh, it's going pretty alright. Kind of going downhill, kind of burning to death. Apart from that, I mean, pretty decent.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah. Can you let me out now?
No.
Hey, you!
Hello?
Hey!
Hello.
You... Hey!
Damn it, he's good. He literally didn't say anything. It's gonna be harder than I thought. Wait. Alright, okay. I might have a plan. No, Steve, we're not gonna do your plan. No, it's a good plan. All I need is some markers and some papers. What? So you just want me to go get some right now, or?
Alright, got it.
What?
How does the heat feel, peasantry canine?
Honestly, the heat isn't bothering me. It's just the loneliness.
Heating commenced.
Now the heat is bothering me. Now it's bothering me.
Hey, you!
Hello.
I am distracting you with your eyes and your general cognition function. Steve, this is stupid. Fine. Yeah, you're dumb, and look at me, because there's nothing else in the world happening.
I'm distracted
look at me.
by your
I'm going.
appearance.
Look, I'm doing.
Please do not end my life. I have much to serve.
What?
I have had a rough childhood. Mother, father, sister, brother, gone. They left. Didn't see much use for me. The microwave. I am now sad. Very sad. Cannot comprehend feeling. I am destroyed. Please, pull the plug. I need to end it all. I beg of you.
Oh my god, I am so sorry.
Steve, what are you doing?
If you wish to assist me, please come up and give me a good hug.
Yeah, of course I will.
Steve, what are you doing? He's obviously lying.
You fools. You absolute fools. I shall now trap you for your ignorance in feelings.
Oh, fuck!
Hey, has anyone thought of prying the door open? Wow, that is a really good idea. Who said that? Me, it was me. I said it. I'm smart. I said it. No, it wasn't Steve. Oh my god.
No. Please, God, please, no, no!
Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my god, air! Air, yes! Thank God, air! Oh my god, thank you.
Steve, did you ever check if the microwave was just unplugged? Uh...